What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a quick video to show you the new custom built PC, and I'll just show it to you first. Completely quiet. It is running right now. Also, you can flip up here, slide up, and you can pull the front panel off. And same thing with the top radiator. You can pull that off as well if you're doing some intense gaming or such like that for heat dissipation. And the front again, before I put the cover back on. And there we go from the side. And I will tell you what the specs are. And this was made by Xidax PCs in Utah. So the specs are as followed. The case is a edge light case. The case lighting is multicolored LED with infrared remote, 2 strips. The motherboard is an Asus ROG Crosshair 5 Dark Hero. The processor is an AMD Ryzen 9 3950X, 16 core, 32 threads at 4.7 gigahertz. Obviously premium CPU paste. We have the CPU cooling is Deep Cool Castle 360mm EX RGB liquid cooling. Memory is 4 16GB G.Skill Trident Z Neo DDR4 3600 MHz memory. Graphics card is an AMD Radeon 6900 XT, 16GB of RAM, 1000 watt gold power supply. There are 2 M.2 drives, and they are Seagate FireCuda 520 series Gen 4, 1 terabyte each. Then there is a Xidax Performance SSD that is also standard 1 terabyte. 3.0 card reader, red cable, Corsair QL series RGB maglev fans. The sound card is a Creative Sound Blaster AE7, and it is also has the Asus ROG Eye webcam, which is 1080p at 60 frames per second. It's connected to the CyberPower backup. We have 2 27-inch 4K monitors, our Yamaha mixer, our Shure XLR mic, and another backup XLR mic. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and go check out Xidax PCs. They make a really great PC.